Hello, Boat here! Now, as many of you all seen on the news, today is the Queen's Diamond Jubilee! Oh, I hate Jubilees. But I don't hate the Queen, she's quite a fine specimen! Oh yes, I wouldn't mind a bit of the Queen. I still remember Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. I was just a young lad back then, though. My daddy says there will be 1,000 boats on the river today. I wonder what that would look like. Oh yes, that was a good one. Oh, you see what I did there? Yeah. I can't help but notice that it's horrible weather today, rainy and miserable. So it's gonna be quite good. All these people having picnics getting soaked. I had a picnic once in 1903. I hated it! So just recently, I had to transport someone and all of his worldly possessions in my boatmobile from Aberdeen to Inverness, because, you know, that's the sort of thing I might possibly do if I did. So the car was as full as it's physically possible to be. And I thought to myself, I bet I could make it fuller! So I stopped off about 10 minutes away from the boat cave to pick up a car part, which I carried back, and then I took it to the boat cave, meant adding an extra half an hour onto an already 5-hour journey, and it annoyed everyone. I love annoying everyone. It's my hobby. So, wherever you are, whether you are celebrating the Queen's Diamond Jubilee, or your mother's paper jubilee, I hate you so much.